two things: action and ambition. Ambition is the first step to success. The second step is action. When you act with ambition, you can succeed. When you have ambition and you act, you can succeed. But when you have ambition without action, your ideas will remain theoretical and will remain only in your heart. So you will not succeed. And also, when you only act without ambition, it will reach a stage that you will give up. But if you have ambition, then you will act. At the point when things are hard, that ambition you have will push you not to give up until you climb the ladder with success. So the first step to success is ambition, then the second one is action. Let them all be together. Don't throw them away.